Emails are a powerful tool for official communication, and you guys are proof that not a single day has gone by without you opening an email or checking your mailbox. It's become a habit. Check your inbox every morning, open an email, and read it. We all know that it's because all the important formal information is shared via the email, whether it is business, education, marketing, advertisement, or any entertainment sort of activity. Everything is emailed. Most applications nowadays support Gmail, and guys, having an email account is more important than having a CNIC. Haha, just kidding, but we all know that it is the reality of this modern era. What if I told you that this habit could actually help you make money? Joking aside, you can earn a lot of money in dollars simply by opening and reading emails. Sounds impossible, but it is not. So before you learn this cool trick, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Now get your copies out and start taking notes because what I'm going to tell you will help you make some extra income. The thought of getting paid to read emails sounds too good to be true when it comes to simple methods to get some additional cash. It is, nevertheless, genuine. That is to say, there are legitimate websites where you can earn money by reading emails. Perhaps you're lounging on the couch, watching Netflix and perusing social media. Perhaps you're on your way to work on a bus or waiting for your kid to finish soccer practice in the car. Whatever the case may be, now is the ideal moment to spend a few minutes opening some of these applications and earning a few cash. It's worth mentioning that your payment may be conditional on you proving that you read the email. This can be as simple as clicking a link in the email, but you may also be asked to complete a short questionnaire to answer a question or two about what you read, just to confirm that you read the entire email. I will be guiding you with two different platforms where you can earn money just by reading emails, so let's get straight to it. Number 1, Inbox Dollars provides a number of opportunities for you to earn money, one of which is by reading emails. All you have to do after signing up is select the option to get this kind of offers. You'll then receive emails that you can be paid to open and read from time to time. Inbox Dollars began in 2000 as an online rewards program that paid members cash for doing things like shopping for cash back, watching movies, conducting surveys, and playing games online. Is Inbox Dollars, however, a genuine company? Yes, it is. The Better Business Bureau has given its parent firm Protégé an A+ rating, BBB. In addition, major companies like Walmart, Netflix, and Target have partnered with Inbox Dollars, so you know it's authentic. Coupons, member-only discounts, and other advantages are part of these relationships. What is Inbox Dollars and how does it work? It's completely free to join Inbox Dollars. All you have to do is make an account on the website. Once you've done that, you can supplement your income by working online. When you sign up for Inbox Dollars, you'll start receiving emails from them on a regular basis. It sends out notes regarding paid surveys as well as paid emails, which are messages that emphasize special partner offers. Earnings vary, but you might potentially be compensated for reading emails. With Inbox Dollars, there are so many methods to generate money online that it might be daunting. Let's speak about how you get paid before we get into the numerous income choices. To request payment, you must have at least $15 in your Inbox Dollar account. PayPal, check, and gift card to a famous store like Amazon or an e-payment to a prepaid Visa card are all options for payment. There is a $3 processing fee if you use a gift card or a prepaid Visa card. There is a $3 cost for paper checks as well, but the money is refunded to your Inbox Dollars account. Besides reading emails, Inbox Dollars can help you earn money. You may supplement your income by completing other simple jobs on Inbox Dollar, such as viewing movies, playing games, clicking ads, filling out surveys, and using its search engine to look for different items. And you can easily earn $50 to $60 each day. For the time being, this site only accepts accounts from residents of the United States. Nonetheless, it is a must-try opportunity. Number 2, Swagbucks. Now, for the second, I've already mentioned this site in another video as a way to make money by watching videos, so go check it out, the link is in the description. Swagbucks is one of the most well-known money-making websites on the internet, and for good reason. It's absolutely a legit site for helping you earn some additional cash, and its members have earned over $500 million. Swagbucks offers a variety of activities for which you can earn money, like doing surveys, playing games, watching movies, and exploring the internet. This also applies to earning money by reading emails. Plus, just for signing up with Swagbucks, you'll get $5 free, plus 10% off on you referring it to your friends. To begin earning money for reading emails, simply navigate to the available offers after signing up, and you'll be able to discover which possibilities you qualify for right away. So guys, that was it for this video, but before you go, make sure to check my other links to get crazy yet effective ideas on how to earn money online. Comment down below how much you earned from these tricks and share the video among your friends. It's time to say goodbye, but I will be back with the same spirit and amazing content. So till next time, stay safe and keep following.